Hi, I'm Brandon with Outdoor Lighting Perspectives, and I'm really just here to talk to you guys about, maybe your lights aren't working, maybe a storm just passed and, for some reason the lights aren't on. So we're here to talk to you about that today. The first place we usually like to go to is our outlet. Most of the time, the outlet that we install our lights into should be what's called a GFCI, or a GFI for short outlet. It will usually have those red and black or just two buttons in the middle. What we'll normally do is, if you have those two buttons, one will say test, one will say reset. You want to press the reset first. You should hear a click and your light should come on. If that doesn't happen, or rather if you don't even have one of those, kind of like us, we've just got a normal outlet here, what you'll want to do is find a lamp, find a phone charger, battery charger, anything like that. Here we have a disco light. We're just going to plug this in here. Not working. What you want to do is go over to your breaker and find anything that's flipped. Usually they're on the right or the left, kind of the inside. And the one that maybe says outside plugs, we're going to find the one that identifies with that outlet. Here we've got our tripped breaker here. So we're just going to flip that back on. Give that a close. Come back to our outlet and we've got lights.